Making your own limoncello is so simple and fun, and it makes for the perfect gift. I'm gonna walk you through the classic Italian recipe from the Amalfi Coast that uses only lemons, alcohol, water, and sugar. The result is a delicious lemony liqueur that will have your friends and family wondering where you bought it. Let's get started. Wash all the lemons well using a metal sponge to completely remove the impurities, then dry them. With a potato peeler, get the yellow rind, leaving the white one on the lemon instead, which is bitter. Put the zests on a chopping board, cut them into thin strips, and then put them together with the alcohol in a hermetically sealed glass bowl. Leave to macerate for 3 to 7 days in a cool, dry place away from light and heat sources, 3 days for an alcohol content of about 20% volume, 7 days for an alcohol content of about 32% volume. It will be necessary to shake the jar every day to stimulate maceration and mix the ingredients well. After this time, filter the liquid with a strainer and remove the rinds. The alcohol should have acquired the classic yellow color given by the lemons. In a saucepan, pour the water and sugar and bring to a boil. While waiting for the boil, stir with a wooden spatula to melt the sugar evenly. When the sugar has dissolved, the syrup is ready. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool. Add the syrup to the filtered alcohol and mix well. Pour the liqueur into a bottle or glass container and let it rest for 30 days. After this time, your homemade limoncello will be ready to enjoy. The result will be a sweet and very fragrant liqueur, ideal to serve as a digestive, but also on desserts or in fruit salads. Enjoy!